Hi everybody, it's the Quilting Marine. My wife just gave me a look because she didn't want to give up the secret present that I made for gift basket appeal. So, alright, we're here to talk about something else. Alright, wait. Okay, so remember we put together the red, right? Alright, so we put together the red, right? And now we attached it. So this is what we got. Alright, we put the red together and it's attached to the blue. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach the orange. Remember we did the orange too, right? That was already done. It sat around for about 6 years. And that'll be it. Okay? So we're going opposites, right? Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So just like what I did before, we're just gonna put this together. Remember, we're gonna put the seams together. We wanna we're gonna nest them together, right? So one of the subscribers suggested that I push the pins down through the seam first, and we're gonna do that. Why not? Okay? I'm always learning. I always love learning. I love quilting. Quilting is the best, okay? It's my therapy. So look at that. We want to nest that, right? Nesting means we're matching up the seams, right? All right, so that's nested. What I'm going to do is what I got the suggestion for. I'm going to push that down, right down there. Okay. Got a lot of material here. And my pins aren't, I forget what they call those big long ones. I forget what they call them. But anyway. So we're just going to do that, all right? Look at that. See, we're going to nest here. Matching that up, nest it together. All right. And we are going to pin here. Okay, so I'm just going to keep that going. And then once I get it done, we'll sew a 1/4 inch seam, and this daisy cutter will be completed. All right, so we attached our orange portion. We had our 1/4 inch seam sewn on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just touch it up real quick with the iron. Oh, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. This is the daisy cutter. All right, made out of sweatshirts. Okay, that we got from the Goodwill. Sweatshirts from the Goodwill into a quilt. You can't do better than that, right? Okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna press it out a little bit, okay? So we have to find a backing for it. But while we search for a backing, we are moving on, okay? We're gonna move on to the Tough Guy quilt, okay? Clean that up there. All right. I'm just gonna just touch it up a little bit with my little irons here. It's sweatshirt, so they can handle it, okay? And that's it, really. We're gonna move on to the Tough Guy. So the Tough Guy is gonna be made out of what are we gonna use for the Tough Guy?
Jeans and flannel.
Jeans and flannel. Okay, we're gonna use jeans and flannel. And then that will be the last quilt for a while that we use, that we use our material will be clothing items and stuff. I'm ready to move into my regular materials, okay? So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna look for a pattern for our New York Beauty. That's what I'm gonna go for, but I have to find a pattern that, my size brain can handle, because New York Beauty really it's really intimidating, okay? I think it's intimidating looking. So, but I have to live by my mantra. It's only fill in the blanks, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set this aside. I didn't even iron anything. I was so busy talking. But anyway, we're gonna set this aside, okay? I'll probably hang it up somewhere so that while we film, you can remind me that, hey, how about putting a backing on that thing, okay? But right now, I'm so excited to move on. And I want to move on. I'm kind of anxious. I know. I need to finish it. I know. But we need to move on too, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang this up right now. Look at Gunner. That's our baby right there. All right, so I'm just gonna hang this up temporarily, okay? Temporarily. You know, in my case, temporarily could be 4 or 5 years. Okay, we're gonna move on to the tough guy. So the tough guy. All right, everybody. Those of you watching, we've been getting Happy Mail. I'm gonna open the Happy Mail, okay? Soon. Now? Soon. Okay, soon. The director said, not now, all right? I'm just a talent, so whenever she cracks the whip, I'm just playing, man. Stop shaking your head. All right, so look at this. Whoosh. This is gonna make an awesome quilt. Look at that. All right? And the reason why I call it Tough Guy is because guys don't get a chance to have guy-looking quilts, okay? So we're gonna be using flannel, all right? Oh, look at that. I've already been cutting. All right, so we're gonna use that, and we're gonna use jeans. This quilt is gonna be awesome. Given away to a service member. What else can you ask for? Okay? So what we're gonna do is, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut, I'm thinking eights, maybe 8 by 8 so I can get more cuts out of the material. 8.5 by 8.5. Yeah, 8.5 by 8.5. And just like pattern it. We'll lay it out and we'll see what it looks like. Okay? And then we'll put it together. And that's it. Alright? But we're not gonna take 18 years like we did on Daisy Cutter, okay? We're gonna get through this because we have other things, other burners on that we want to take care of. Like the what's it called, babe? The secret sewer quilt, I think it's called. Look, I am so new at this, okay? So yeah, it's called the secret sewer quilt, where we're gonna include you guys in making a block. You send it to me, then I'll put the blocks together, and we'll take them to the VA, and we'll donate them to the vets, okay? But after that, then we're gonna go freestyle some quilts. Speaking of freestyle, I need to do some free motion because everyone's been talking about hanging in my, I can't hang it last long. All right, everybody, look, my wife said I'm babbling. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate the support. You guys are so supportive. That's why I babble, because I want you to get your dose. You know, I don't want you to overdose. I want to get you your dose. But I really appreciate the support. Thanks for the replies. Thank you for picking this video. And remember, all you new people, please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread. Claps.